done a video for a while. This is my new workshop and games room. So we'll just turn on the lights. Close the door. Take a bit of a tour. So up there is the comms cabinet with 24-point switch, patch panel. There's the circuit breaker board, wireless lights. As you can see, the shed is insulated using polyamide foam. There is arcade machines. They are all in working condition, but need a bit of work on them. Tambour cupboards. There's one for the arcade stuff. There's a few shelves that need to be sorted. Over here, working on a bit of an entertainment area. Got a bar fridge, an old lounge that used to be in the house until we got a new one. Got a bit of carpet square as well. A bit of cleaning. This area here will be for 3D printing. 3D printers in that IKEA little cabinet there. I've got a hardtop arcade project that I'm still going to work on. But I'll keep all the filaments and everything like that in there to keep it all safe, along with some of these washer absorber stuff. Here I've got tools, once again in these Tambour cabinets that I picked up at auction. Ladder. Here is stuff I keep for the laser cutter. Here's the laser cutter where it's at now. Looks very different from my last videos. I'll go through that later. Here is my electronics working area. So I've got all of the parts trays, all mounted on the walls. And more cupboards over here. Tambour cabinets with parts and whatnot. It's a little bit of a mess. Still a work in progress. Here's my laptop with dock and a few wall mounted LCD panels that can make it easy on the laser cutter. And just working on a few projects here or there. The music is all supplied by Pioneer Deck and a power supply, and air conditioning is installed. The walls are all lined with what's known as structure floor yellow tongue. So it's used for flooring mainly, but does the job well. Wireless light switches, got switch power all around the shed as well as you can see here, fully networked. That's pretty much it. Got power tools all up in there that need to be sorted, but at the moment this is all a work in progress. So expect to see some more videos of work done here as we progress. Cool. That window I installed as well. Didn't have one in this garage. I haven't put any plywood or anything like that on the ceiling. I might do that at a later point, but at the moment it doesn't really affect much. It keeps the place nice and cool in summer, and in winter workshop area has LED lighting, and I haven't replaced the fluoros for the other side yet. So yeah, that's the tour 2021 in May.